There are a lot of Google applications that people use every day, like Chrome, Gmail, Drive, etc. But Google Fit has not really become that fashionable. In an effort to improve its Android health and fitness app, Google has basically redesigned Fit to better support people's activity and wellness goals. For starters, Google says it turned to both the American Heart Association and the World Health Organization to develop two activity objectives: move minutes and cardiac points. As the name implies, moving minutes is a simple statistic that tracks the frequency with which you walk, with the goal of encouraging people to move more and sit less. Meanwhile, Heart Points records the frequency with which it raises your heart rate and then gives you points. A minute of moderate exercise is worth 1 point, while more intense activities such as swimming or boxing will accumulate twice as many points. The two combined statistics are a bit like the activity of Apple Watch, a step-by-step goal for something that works like a game. For easily identifiable activities such as walking or cycling, Google says that Fit can automatically track your activity. However, for other things, Google says that the application was also updated with data from more than 120 activities in the hope that the service can gather more accurate training data.